If you've never fried anything before, it might be something that's a bit daunting or something that's a bit scary, so here are a few tips to keep you safe. When we fry, we do want the oil to be nice and hot because otherwise it doesn't really fry things, but we don't want things to spit at us when we put things into the pan. So if things do start to spit as we place them in the pan, just turn the heat down and wait, and then keep adding the rest of your food. The next thing is don't drop things from a great height. So here we have an onion, and I'm not going to drop it from a great height because then things will splash at me and I don't want that. If you are a bit nervous, maybe even just use a long spoon or some tongs to lower ingredients into the pan, again adding things away from you. If we've got some bacon here, here is the right kind of sizzle. We don't want to be boiling our bacon, we do want it to spit a little bit but not too much. If you've got a gas hob, do make sure that you don't have any flames licking up the side of your frying pan because they actually can catch fire. We don't really want that. Don't forget there are plenty of tips like this throughout our book. All you need to do is find the tip that you want, get your phone, give it a scan, and that will take you right to where you need to go, or simply follow us for more tips just like this. Enjoy.